Uyu ni umwe wa cukuru uria maabitha a thirikari makinyite mwena wa Nakuru ya ithũĩro gutigirira ni wahingwo ni undu wa kwaga gũkinyanĩria ikĩro, na riu aciari a arutwo aya mekwambĩrĩria kuhanga kuria ciana ciao iguthamira. Makonia nimo mahuthikite na njira nene gwaka cukuru uyu kuma irathi nginyagia wabici cia arutani, na riria mwene ahofanĩirio etiteire akiuga ari ihenya-inĩ ria kurĩkĩrĩria waki.
These are temporary. I was working out the iron sheet as I build the one. You see, I've started the foundation, but because of the stones of 1 week, and the parents have not received the money.
It is going to be too costly to keep these schools operating without registering. It is better we take the step early enough.
Mwene cukuru uyu wa Prince of Peace na akiugite mwaka uyu mweru ni kionereria kia makinya maria atacukitie hari gutigirira ni ahingia watho wa ministry ya githomo, no kuona ndarikitie kwandikithia cukuru uyu kiwatho ari ithabu-ini ria cukuru iria ikuhingwo.
This holiday that is in April, tukajenga mawe, so now we now want to register the school.
Why did you decide to operate and you have not yet registered?
We've never been told not to operate.
Munini wa komishona wa Nakuru ya ithũĩro Michael Simam augite cukuru ici iria itandikithitie arutwo na mutambo wa thirikari wa NEMIS iraiga arutwo hatikaini ya kwaga kurumirira mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC uria riu ukinyite kirathi gia kana.
So how will these grades be transmitted now to the ministry now that you know there is continuous assessment of 40%? Don't you think you are wasting these learners?
No, I was not aware of the ongoing exams, but I would still say that I was denied the NEMIS number when I was there, and by then we didn't need to have registers in the school so that you can be given the NEMIS. If I had the NEMIS code, I could have gone in the portal and got the exams.
Kiwatho mundu wanyitikana na mahitia ma kwaga kwandikithia cukuru kana kwambĩrĩria kuruta wira atarikitie mitaratara yothe ya kwandikithia cukuru kuringana na ministry ya githomo no ahurwo faini itanyihiire milioni 5, oho miaka itakirite 3 kana 2.
Sasa tukujua kama hiyo shule hajarejeshewa. Sasa tumejua leo. Sasa mimi na maombi yangu ni hivi. Sasa tutapeleka watoto wapi? Wenye wako sasa maliza fee na wenye wanakuwa wamesona uniform watafanya nini?
Sisi tumepea directions zile shule zote za primary, public primary schools wa receive our learners wakiwa na zare za shule ya zile mashule walitoka, as the parents arrange for new school uniform.
Cukuru ithatu cia muthingi na nathari 27 nicio ihingĩtwo hindi ya mũngũrũrio uyu, na aciari moretwo matware ciana ciao cukuru-inĩ ingĩ iria ikinyanĩirie ikĩro. Ngĩribotera Inoro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.